Here I have LARK FreeMe X2 and let me show you how to activate the screen lock protection on the following device. At first, let's unlock the screen. Let's tap apps icon, let me find and select the settings. Scroll down and let's find and select the security options. Choose screen lock, and now you have to decide either you would like to use slide, pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me choose pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern and let's tap continue. Let's draw and unlock pattern again and let's choose confirm. And that's it. You just activate pattern protection. You can change some settings. For example, you can make pattern invisible. You can change the automatically lock time. Right now we are using a 5 seconds. So if you would like to use your pattern protection, let's just press power key. And now if you would like to unlock your device, you have to input your pattern. And that's it. You just unlock the tablet. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.